Ever seen a scene like this in your home, or is it just us? You too? Yeah, we thought so.
Yeah.
After what was clearly 10 million timeouts, endless shouting matches, and our kids' brains being melted by YouTube, we wanted something different that was fun and safe for our kids to play with.
Hi, I'm Jake.
And I'm Craig.
We're neighbors, and we both have a lot of kids. And sometimes it's not easy to get outside.
They've probably begun experimenting sliding down the stairs on something like a sleeping bag, cardboard box, or maybe something even worse.
And after countless holes in the wall, who knows how many kissed boo-boos, and probably $1,000 in Band-Aids, my wife challenged me to come up with something safer than the kids tumbling down the stairs. And that's when I thought of Stair Slide. After working with engineers on several prototypes, we finally made our vision a reality. We wanted it to be safe, but we also wanted it to be lightweight and something that was portable, something that would nest into each other so it wasn't a permanent fixture on the stairs. And when it's time for cleanup, you just stack them all together and store them in a closet in a nice little bundle. Our patent-pending design is not only lightweight and fun to use, but it keeps the slide in place. It works on hardwood stairs as well as carpet, and it prevents wear and tear on the stairs.
So if you're like us and you care about things like safety, fun, durability, and value, consider supporting us and getting a stair slide for your kid, your grandkid, or if you're like me, get one for yourself.
And thanks for supporting us, and have fun.
You're right here.
That's so fun. Let's go. That is really fun. I love it.
Great, great.